Boom! Boom!
Where are you going?
We're going to hotel. 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 Alpha Suites. Whoa.
What will you do
Whoa.
there? Study.
Whoa. No,
Study time.
See one. Yeah, I see one. Kiss. I'm a car. I'm a maroon car. Maybe I'm a red car. The car is like
Else. I like Anna.
Bakit ni?
Good.
Ikaw na lang.
Ang dami kasi nilang ganap dito sa likod.
car. Oh, it's time to dance, little bees.
That's yun.
Let's see a sweet rainbow. It's like a rainbow dancing, rainbow dancing all the time. Why do you think it's all the time? Yeah. Hello, I am a building. I am so tall that I will touch the sky.
Sa fire station na to.
So, how am I working at?
Ay, ang dami kainin.
Oh my god, I am so high that I touch the sky. Bye.
Tomorrow ko. Ay, 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. Hello, I am 7-Eleven. I give you things
Right
like
here.
food. Bye.
Right here. Right here.
Hi, vlog.
Oh, hi. Hi.
Hi.
You wanna be good?
You want this?
Okay. Let's make a. You have YouTube on this thing?
No.
It's a camera. Let's make a video.
Okay.
No, with this.
Whoa, you have TikTok.
No, this is YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
Wanna make a video?
Okay.
If we. If you dance, I'll dance. And if you don't, I'll dance anyway. Wait, well, I'll give this to your dad. Can you hold it, please? Go. Okay, let's
Wait, it's
go.
still recording.
If you dance, I'll dance.
Ano
Tagal
ni?
ni Anyang. Ano ba?
Anyang, ano ka ba? Mag-check out na tayo.
Anyang will arrive too.
No, joke lang.
Hindi
Tagal.
alam. Hindi niya alam kung sino pupunta.
Nalilito na siya. Sino kasama?
Sino next week?
Sino next week? Abangan. Tagal ni Anyang?
Maganda ba dito? Ganda yata dito. Labi pa lang, oo.
Mas maganda ka.
Alam mo, para tayo nasa ano. Tignan mo yung mga puno sa labas. Para nasa Dubai.
The Bay.
Who's that?
Kuya Andre! Come here! Kuya!
Gato kuya! Gato kuya! Gato kuya! Gato kuya! Kuya!
I told you Ninang Ano is coming!
Ang tagal niyo, grabe. Ano ba? Ano ba? Ang tagal niyo.
Record. Imbis magsara. Let's go, Yuan. Let's go.
Which floor are we up to?
10 nga po.
10.
Oh my!
Ayun, taas pa na ito. 52.
I love 10 floor.
Kuya, picture tayo dyan. Hello!
Picture.
I love
Picture daw doon.
Wow.
Wow!
So huge!
Ganda, laki.
Ang ganda! So fancy! So fancy! Excuse me.
Naka times 2 pala to.
Look at the view! Look at makeup!
But it's so
So cool!
and the attention is so much shorter.
First room.
Ano yan? Ang daming room.
Ano to? What's this? Room ba dali? Mga clothes. Mga ano clothes. Ano ba to? Room ba to? Ay, oo nga. Ganda. Ito ba yun? Ito ba yung surprise?
Ay, ito yung surprise.
Wow!
Kuya! Look natin sila.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Dapat may picture sila dun later. Picture kayo ni
Ganda.
Ganda.
of story where everyone is kind of
Uy, may ano.
Si Gabi. Yan si Gabi. Ito.
Kuya!
Nice, nice. Yes.
Oh my god!
Look.
Gab, look at this.
It's this! Oh!
Oh, there's a greetings for you.
Yeah. You read it.
Di ba yung mukha niya?
Why is my birthday already? it should be on June 3.
Advance, happy birthday. Is that you?
Oh yes.
What are you gonna say?
Thank you. I cannot wait to go at the bed.
Wait lang. Later. Diba? Ito yung living room. Laki. Lamig. Tapos overlooking yung Makati and Manila.
YouTube is the best. Even if I don't work there, I still believe YouTube is the best.
Tapos dining and kitchen. Tapos may pa. Washing machine. And fridge. 2-door. Oh, hindi. Look at this fridge, Gabi. You want this? There's a water dispenser. And then it's a big one. It's 2-door. Because it has one more here. I think this is the freezer.
Oh no, don't put this in.
It's
Oh my
freezer, I
God.
think. And this
It's
is
for my water.
yeah. And there's oven, free water, and iced coffee. UCC, diba? Tapos may kettle and induction cooker. There's pala yung oven. So may turn pa. Aircon. Tapos yung another room yan. Another room. Restroom lang siya. Okay. Ayun doon yung room dito ata.
May dalawa pa dito.
Oo, dalawa pa dito. Mga secret rooms. So there's, hindi, bathroom din.
Kasi dami.
Dalawang bed na single. Nice na. Double ba to? Oo nga, no?
Paano to siya dalawa?
Tapos, may isa pang room dito na daanan. Ito may office ni. Ano siya? Hindi ko alam kung...
Pull out. Bed.
Okay. Tapos may table, office table. Nice, nice. Tapos may View din. Same view. Okay, dito on niya nga. Sino ano ito? Hanap.
Ako.
Ikaw? Ikaw. Another bed.
I tried that.
You already tried it? Okay.
Wait, there's also
Close
an
it.
office room.
Yeah, that's office table. Our bathroom. May shower.
Where's the
And
CR?
salamin. Puro salamin. Puro salamin. Okay. Let's see something. Ganda dito ah. Pa-sweets. Okay, dito.
We cannot smell it right here. But
Ayun, may
we can
sunog
see
na.
it. Oh, maybe it's in the news. It's in the news. Oh.
Manila na yun eh.
We got new one!
Oh, fire! Fire truck! Fire truck! There's fire!
Ayun yung fire truck oh, nasa baba. Ayun yung...
There's a fire there!
There you went.
They would know. There, that's the pool. We're gonna swim there later.
Oh,
That's our pool.
yeah.
So we have to fly.
Zip line.
Yeah, zip line.
Oh no!
I'll carry you, don't worry. Okay?
Yeah.
Why there's a zip line? We cannot go back.
No, we
No,
can't.
there's cable car.
Cable car? Oh! Yes! There's cable car! But still, there's fire!
Gabby, can you sit here?
Sit here, Gabby.
Gabby, sit here. Kadali. Picture kita. Sit here. No, here. Here, to this side.
That pala si Josh din eh, no? Silang dalawa.
Wow! Can maybe come up just
Sino walang kulit ang Gabby, dito muna kay tita.
Ayun na, screenshot ang ganda. Dito naman ako nila.
Ikot,
Ikot tayo, ikot. Ayun ang gusto ko yung washing machine nila eh. Ay, ganyan. Ay, paano ba? Yan, sa gilid tayo. Nice. Ganda!
One, two, three, go, Rocky!
Buti na mo na agad. Nakuha mo na. Sawi! Margie.
Are you opening? Try it!
Open yung mga drawer dito sa kitchen. So yan, meron ng oven. Tapos dito yung mga utensils and wow. Dito yata yung mga kitchenware. Tapos dito yung sa mga taas. Dito yung plates. And dito yung mga mugs and glasses. Ay, may mga glasses dito yata. Pakalaki nito. Bigat. Tapos, ang pinakamaganda ay this one. Dishwasher. Dishwasher? Small cabinets and drawers. Yeah, we're going to the pool.
Hindi ba gumagana to?
Ano yan?
Fake news? Ito lang gumagana, ito mo.
Blinds. Kung...
Ayun na.
Okay. Nice.
Hindi gumagana.
Baka sa iba yan. Baka sa ibang lugar yun, baka doon pa kabila.
Dito naman, iglawad.
Ayan, pag ganyan. Oo nga, nasakto. Malalim ba yung pool dito?
May mababa, tapos may malalim.
Nice.
We started.
Let's go.
What are you doing? Dalawa.
Choo choo. Choo choo. Wait, I'm gonna do that. Down,
Yeah. Up, down, up,
down.
up. Down ba?
Down.
Bilis kasi magsara.
Hindi.
Ate, hawakan mo po. Ay, yung water mo kasi. Akin yung water mo. Hold it properly.
Ina?
Hold it properly.
Sixth floor, di ba?
Yes.
Choose.
Oh.
9.
Siyempre, ay, tanda tayo siya.
Ayaw mapindot.
Choo choo.
Sinuwerte lang, sinuwerte.
Choo choo.
Kawawa naman yung dalawa.
Down. Choo choo.
Iba ang matumba sa Yuan. Gabi. Alice Island. 6th floor. Lawak ng lobby. May spa sila doon. What's that? Jaya Longevity Spa. Lobby. Grabe, lawak. And then yung suite, yung hotel. Tandaan, nakasara. Siguro hindi mabatay. Hawak. Para ng pool. So, merong kids pool. Ng adult. Mas malalim. Kids pool yata dito. Kids pool. There's some more kiddie pool there.
Kaya tayo sa...
Oh, yung drinks.
No swim yan.
Yeah, yung drinks. Doon na lang tayo. Ay, di, may mga ano dito. Ayan, wala. Ano to?
We sit here.
This one is deeper. Napakataas, 50 floors. Ayun pala towel.
Paka-register.
Ilan ba tayo? 3, 4... Ilan ba tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tapos dalawang bata.
Kid.
6. Dalawang bata.
Ay,
8? Right, share na lang.
share mo na lang tama. Anong nga?
7 na lang.
10.
Yung sa atin, BC. 10 BC.
B o D?
B. Boy.
Anong tawag mo? Anong tawag mo?
Ano tower? Di pa dito. Dito.
Tower 1.
Tower 1. Tower 1 ah.
Wala pa may...
Passion.
Passion. Bali mag-iano na ako sa'yo.
Sige.
Ano ba? Manga tsaka passion.
Magkahiwalay ba yan? Ay, magkaiba ba yan? Oh, yun na yun. Yun na yun.
Ikaw po kasi tayo sa nama.
Dito kami. Pero pwede naman dito sa... Pwede sa table. Tapat ng table.
Pero, hanapin ko na lang po. Hati ko na lang.
Dito lang kami. Ayun na.
Thank you po. Bali, ilan to ma'am? 5 po?
Ano?
Anim.
Ayan. Thank you. Ayan, drinks. Welcome drinks. Hey, ano oras na? Ma-shades na sila eh. Mukha akong malaki.
Yabi kami, picture kayo.
Okay, let's picture.
Picture, 1, 2. 1, 2, smile! Come here, come here.
Yabi!
There's small eh. Picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile! You want? Look!
Okay, dali!
Smile!
Sa picture ka.
Saka nasakot ka ni Mami dad.
Nanood tayo lahat.
Come here!
Go! Ay, wala pa yung iba eh. 1, 2, 3, smile! Think kaya na ko. May nalalim pa ba? Ating kaya sa akin. Nga ba?
Yan, hello.
Ay, dun.
Hello! Uy, mahuhulog na si Tuway. Mahuhulog na yun. Kaya ko pa.
It's mango passion. Tayo sa taas. Mainit yung solid. Ano ba yung cravings mo?
Oo.
Ano ba yung cravings mo?
Ano ba yun, Andre?
Hindi, itaas mo.
Ati.
Ano to? Video to eh. Picture. Try. 1, 2. Isa pa.
It tastes so sour.
Oh, meron silang swim school. Privacy. Ito lang sa kiddie pool kasi 5 feet. Here's your friend, ah.
Oh, what? Zach! Come on! Zach! Come here! Come to you one!
Yuan!
Kaya nagre-record.
Lapit ka.
Ito nga, lalapit na nga kayo.
Hello!
Yung kada camera yun.
Go here.
Go here.
Aray ko! May hirap po eh. Masakit sa ano.
Go, go.
Go.
Gagawa mo, Adite.
Lumalabas yung ano. Manisa.
Gagawa mo, Adite.
Parang yung sa'yo, water. Go. Ang smash na kuya. Uy, tama yung natakot siya, ang laki. Natakot siya, ang laki ng smash ni kuya. Tingnan mo yung smash ni Josh. Hindi kaya niya, hindi niya kaya. Ayaw na. Lad kuya. Sabihin mo, wait mo ako lumaki. Gaganti ako.
Ayun na yung mga bombero.
Flash everyone! Ikaw ah. You want here ka lang.
Oh, here pa. Kay mama. Kay mama. Oh, yung mama.
Ikaw ah, may binagbalang ako na. Ay!
Say, give me money.
Do you like your slippers, Spider-Man?
What will you say?
You're
welcome. Kiss.
You're
One more kiss. One more kiss. One more kiss.
High five. Good job. Splash mo na si Daddy. Splash mo na si Daddy. Wait.
Yan.
Ikot mo sila.
Ano yung ikot?
Ikot mo sila.
Mahirap po. Pinakapo ako na auntie.
Try mo lang. Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Mahirap po eh.
Ikot.
Walang bueno.
Ikot.
Ayoko na, pagod na ako.
Exercise yan.
Show mama what you're doing. Show mama. Show mama the water. Show mama the water. Get more one. There! Show it.
What?
One more. Recording na yan.
Hindi yung
Sama ko kayo.
Korean lalaki.
Korean? Koreano? Sana nga! Para yumaman na kami! Korean?
Thinking rape.
Nakakatawa ka ha? So funny ha?
Ano kinain mo? Ba't daw lang?
Saan niya?
Saan yan?
7-Eleven?
Hi. Hi, say hi. Gabi, say hi.
Takot na takot na.
Oh, your fish. Yeah.
Sorry po.
It's okay.
Sorry po. Sorry po. Sorry.
Baby pa din.
Yeah.
Until 18.
Yeah. Bigat nun.
Superman.
Ay wow, Superman pala yun eh.
Superman. Paano yung picture? Okay, kasi kalam niya.
Song, music, ano ba yun? Time na ano, Monday, Friday.
Ha?
7 days of the week.
Hingaon, mama.
See you tomorrow. Sige, see you
Bye-bye.
tomorrow.
Say bye-bye, Yuan.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ano? One more.
Kasi ng anyang.
Eating.
Pooping.
1, 2, 3, jump! Go at his back.
Right down.
Yan, that is ba? Ay, tuwang-tuwa. Tuwang-tuwa.
Mas madali sa palikod.
Tuwang-tuwa eh.
Sabi ko, go. Galing! Galing ah!
No hands, no hands.
Ano naman?
Go, go. We're gonna ahon na apple.
Abby? Abby? Abby?
Yuan! Nagagawa mo dyan sa table. Oh, gitu aja. Thank you. Pada nakaano. May mga kaya dito. Ay. Alam ko na, may kainom dito. Dito ba daw? May Italianis, no? Meron doon, mga fishball.
Oo nga.
Doon tayo. Kaya lang ng exchange. Para sa North pala.
Dado, EO.
Ayan, siya. Ayun ang nanyang.
Doon tayo natin.
Nanying. Ano daw meron doon ba? Yan, Dennis, okay din.
Nasa loob, tignan na. Let's see muna inside. Let's see muna inside.
It's going.
How many cars?
Oh, it's out.
Diba, this is what this is.
So I can have some juice.
Yeah, I approve.
Sige na, go na tayo doon. Wag ka na tumingin. Pasok na agad.
Para ano, di na makapag-isip.
Gutom na eh, gutom. Sabi mo, for 8. For 8. 8.
Eh, very cool lang. Sit na tayo, sit. Sit na tayo, sit.
Eat tayo, eat? Oh, Carrie. Already ordered for you.
Yeah, we already ordered. Kasi ano, apurado ka na eh. Gutom na eh. Ito naman ang top na.
Ito ng laing.
Nasa ng digital. Digital.
Okay, bye. You just lost a customer. You just lost a customer.
Yan, sige na ka.
Sarap ba yan?
Yang daing. Sorry. Ayan, inaabot yung order ko. Meron pang kare-kare.
Bitin sa...
Eat. Oo, maganda yung selfie.
Cypress.
Hi guys, Ewan's drinking calamansi, so it doesn't taste. He doesn't taste the sour.
You like it, Ewan?
It's us.
Yeah, it's us. Try it. Is it warm or cold? Warm. He's drinking tea, you see? Calamansi honey tea. See? Where did you go, ate?
To turn it on again.
No. Where did you go to eat dinner?
Huh?
Where did you go to eat dinner?
Outside.
You don't know the restaurant?
Oh, it's sunrise. Sun. It's I only sunrise.
Yummy?
He eats fire.
Yeah, fire hazard.
Fire hazard.
It's not fire.
The lip trap.
It's on fire. It's hot. It is cold down. And kitchen.
Do you like it? Ganda?
Yummy. It is lemon.
Calamansi? And?
No, it's lemon.
Calamansi and honey.
Yummy.
You can play Switch.
I did.
Switch man, Switch.
Okay.
iPad you want, right? Ayaw iPad. What? Go na.
I don't have your iPad.
Get your iPad. Get you once.
Get you one's iPad.
Wait.
Get you one's.
Yan sa couch oh.
What can you say? I'm not cooking. Isa na lang. Isa na lang. One swimming to go.
Yan ang mga sabihin.
Ha?
Sige. Huh?
Ako sa...
Meron ako sa panoon. Hindi wala internet. May internet ba dito?
Ano? May brand wala nang password
Wala
sila.
password yun ah. Ay, mali. Wi-Fi tayo. Yay! Panginoon, ng kalindakan, nagilit mo kahit sa'yo. Oh! Gabi sa'yo ko namin ang tamis ng iyong labi.
Parang may ganyan. Parang kasi lolo.
Oras ng iyong di na kailangan tayo na ikaw ay magsalita.
Gamitin mo yung gimig para ma-on yung kabila.
Dali, tawag mo ako pa yun.
Ano gagawin? Bakit DTU1?
Swimming!
Tatawag for lighter?
Tanong mo lang baka merong may lighter sa ano.
Happy birthday to you.
Where do you put the
Happy
camera?
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Smile naman!
Para si Bernadine.
Smile kayo na naman! Nag-blow. Ay, ano mo
Parang
na?
si Ken.
Ako niya, blow, blow. 1, 2, 3, go, blow!
It doesn't have.
Brendan na, laugh to them.
Mag-wish ka na, Gab.
Gabi, what's your wish?
It's a different one. wish my family will go to Pico de Roro.
Ano yun? Pico de
What's your
Oro.
wish again?
I wish my family would go to Pico de Roro.
Roro.
Roro!
Pico de Oro.
Mom.
Ah.
Ako yan.
What's this made out of? Is that jelly?
For?
Oh, it is jelly.
For money? Yeah.
Money, many money. Okay. Happy birthday.
Okay, ano lang yan?
This one is made out of jelly.
Wish na hindi matutupad. Wala ka namang hinipan.
You want Italy?
Strawberry.
Ako din.
Eat na, baby. Ay, galing ah.
There are times when I'm lying in my bed, how I bellow and cry from this stupid guy.
Lasing na po. Lasing na sa ice cream yan.
I like when you
Is that your cake?
Yeah, that's my cake.
I'm a drop down.
What will you say?
Dwelling.
Thank you.
I keep on digging my face in
Happy?
Nico and to mine. And better.
Ano yan iniinom niya?
Orange juice po.
Wow. Sige, go.
Paano magluto na? Ayan, sarap na mo eh. Amoy sarap oh.
Grabe ka. Wala pa nga.
Hindi, sunog yung kawali sa ilalim. Ang tawag ko dito. Tagaman seaweed juice with honey. Na ano yun, nahihiya? Nahihiya yata eh. Ba't tayo kasi nasa malaki? Balig ko.
Ha?
Ano yung
Camera yan.
Ano?
360?
360.
Uy, huli namin ko. Meron pala yan.
Iba. Iba yan.
Di iba yan,
DJI
DJI
yan.
yan. Sa kanya to kay, kay Rachel.
Yeah, I want to try your chicken nugget.
Time check. Brought to you by Jufran.
UFC!
Ay, UFC. Tamis ang hang. Banana ketchup. Ay, banana ketchup. Right now, it's past 12.
Yeah.
We're still cooking.
Food. And then, mag-breakfast buffet pa kami. Na para bang,
Na para bang ginutom. Hirap.
na para bang pang buong month na namin. Kasi di na less na next month.
Nuggets. Ba't hiwalay siya? Tinay mo lang.
flavor.
Tinay mo lang. Binili niya rin yung flavor.
Yeah.
Daddy! Anto ka na?
Oh,
Sa bahay. Alas 2 ka naman natutulog.
yeah.
Gabi. Lagot.
May lagot.
Huh?
What lagot?
Just what?
Baka meron din sa mga kasabihan.
Sa ilog, naligo ako madali, tapos nakita niya ako lumilipad ng mababa. Pero tama yan, di mo pinatunan. Ano nang pangako ka dyan, ganyan talaga yung mga yan.
Thank you, Kois.
Tawagan mo ako ng kotse, marami magsakay na lang sa kotse. Sige, may grab ka dyan.
Gabi! Isa kang dalahin.
Gabi, smile! Doon kay...
Dahil niya diniwan.
Mike.
Anak?
Good night, Yuan. Kiss good night. Kiss good night, Papa.
Good night. Good night.
Yak.
Bakit yak?
Agad na.
Good
Good
night.
night, Papa. Good night, Papa.
Love you.
Good night, Mama. Good night, Mama. Good night, camera.
Good night, camera.
See you tomorrow.
It's your bubble.
Good night.
Wanna come one picture?
Love you. Morning. Good morning.
Only me and Adam and Kuya Joseph's girlfriend is awake. So girls. Oh, good morning.
Yuan's still asleep. 7 a.m. Aga akong nagising 6. Sunday morning. There's no traffic. There's no traffic now. There's only a few cars. You like it here, Gab?
Yes.
Which is the best hotel you've been to?
Here.
This is the best?
Yeah, because it has three bedrooms.
Different time lapse ako na paumaga. Kaya
Paborito kong chocolate. My most favorite chocolate. Yeah. Kain tayo. Everything is automatic. Pati yung pagbukas ng mga ilaw. Censored. Ano tawag yun? Censored yun.
Wala.
Mga ilaw. Censored.
sa bed.
Oh yeah.
Ay, hindi din yun.
I found a walking toilet.
So, pag dadaan ka dito, bubukas. Pag pasok ka ng siya, bubukas dito. There's the fire trucks. The fire truck down there.
Yeah. It's your under left. It's the smoke.
How many?
There's the most smoke na?
It's there.
The smoke
Yeah.
yesterday. Uh-huh. Mga restaurants pa dito. Chop House. Wow, Mykonos. Ten BC. 6 adults.
Okay na po.
Eh, saan tayo? Saan seat natin? Kahit saan? Excuse me, saan pa yung seat? Or kahit saan po ba? Ah, anyway. Kahit saan daw. Thank you. Ni, kahit saan daw. Apat lang tayo. Ay, tiga-apat pala. Dalawang table na lang. Hello. Ito, diba? Ito yung dalawa niya. 11 and
4 or 5.
11 and 9 ito. Wala pa ba dito?
Yes, tara.
11 and 9 na lang ngayon.
Pwede na lang.
Dito na tayo. Tara, kuha muna tayo food. Sige.
Yaman na po. Hindi lang.
Water ba din yun? Sige.
Good morning. What do you wanna eat, ate? Rice?
Wait, do you have cinema bowl?
Pero yung buffet is here. Omelette. Bacon. I'll try one.
Ano po sa inyo? Cheese omelet.
Yun lang yung rice.
Balikan nyo na lang po.
Ito na natin. Tanong mo.
Sir, yung rice actually.
Pwede pong plain rice. Ngayon lang po sir.
How's there's kimchi? Six.
Ito tayo.
Spinach daw. Noodles. And... Uy, kaldereta. Uy, kaldereta. Ayan, kaldereta. Sarap, kaldereta. Caldereta adobo. This is pork. Chicken. Okay. Scott. Bangus. Rice. Sana. Nangingi ka ng rice? Mangingi ka rin ng ano? Sa amin din, nangingi ka.
Ano number mo?
11. 9-11 tayo.
Ay, asan yung ate ka na? Ito.
Ay, rice din kami. Kalkatan 4 din.
Bali.
Or, sige, 4.
The eggs is already omelette.
Pwede pa ano rin ako. Cheese na lang, cheese omelette.
Cheese omelette.
Ako lang babalikan ko dito.
Pwede naman.
Sige. Thank you. Can think of ano? What's this? Mustard. What's this? Pita bread. So, ito yung mga roasted tomato. Pancake. May waffle ba? Ayun, pancake na lang. Sige, pahingi ako isa. Ano isa? French toast. Sorry. Tas crepe. Maple syrup. Tingin natin din ng French toast. Uy, ano yan? Taho. Wow. Ito may ano. Balik na lang ako. Sige. I'll try taho. Pandesal. Oh, may spread. Hindi, balik na lang ako. Ni. So fancy naman may may plate. Walang plain rice. In-order pa. Nag-order. Wala dun. Wala nakalagay na plain rice dun. Meron dun tinapa rice. Tinapa rice lang. Dami ulam dun ni. Mga ulam. Nice naman dito may tao. Champurado lang pala, wala. Syrup. Nice. Syrup. Nice. And a little bit of sago. Sago. There. Tapos, another topping. There. Nice. Okay na po yung cheese. Order ulit ako. Isang plain lang na egg. Tapos
Sunny side up po?
hindi. Ganito din.
Scrambled with
Tapos, yung isa mix ng onion and eto.
Parehas po omelette lang.
Bali dalawang order.
Dalawa pang omelette. Yung isang plain lang. Salt, pepper lang.
Ganun lang. Thank you. Wow. Look.
Ako.
11. Thank you. Sige. Thank you.
Oh. What the hell you...
Kunan ko na lang din si Gab. Bacon na lang din sa kanya. Ni, try this. This is cheese. You wanna try it too? Kunan ko na lang si Gab ng bacon. Ano yan? 4 yan.
Magtataho pa lang.
Kaya nyo din lang mamaya. American breakfast. Tapos decaf coffee. Tama ba yung decaf coffee? Kaya rin ng brown sugar. Ano pinanghalo mo sa ano? Ayun. Stealer pala meron.
Sarap.
Sarap no? Andy syrup.
Sa'yo ba to?
Hati tayo. Maubos yung basa? Sarap no? Nakita ko eh. Sabi ko, ako ang kukuha ng syrup. You like your food? You was eating cereal. Go on. You like your food? Okay. Wow. Pineapple testing. Testing, tasting.
Ikaw akin nakatapat. Ulitin mo.
Hindi, nakataan sa akin.
Akin kanina.
Sa iba?
Ulit.
Ayan, pineapple tasting. Ako, nakatingin sa'yo? Ayan. Lagi tayong kumakain ng pineapple sa mga breakfast buffet. Husgahan natin yung pineapple nila. Maasim. Diyan, matamis. Matamis yung pineapple nila dito. Fairness, hindi maasim. Hindi maasim, matamis lang. Paano nangyari yun? Wala akong nalasahang asim. Puro tamis lang. Isa pa. Very nice. Very
Love, mom. Where's my kiss? Kiss me. Kiss me. Kiss. Many, 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 many.
Where you going?
I love you.
To the playground with Zab.
But you're late. She said 9:12.
Go.
Key card. Yeah.
Gili power. No.
Ano si Andy? Why?
Energy na, di ba?
Nice, yeah.
Oh.
Go, baby. Down!
Ano ba yun?
Fifth.
Fifth?
Kids.
Going down, fifth floor.
There.
Pinalin ba din?
Dulo. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro.
Kuya, tutut.
Let's go, bro.
Bro, let's go, bro. Ang layo
Gabby,
mong
let's go,
harang.
bro.
Isa pa, kuya, sorry.
Ayan.
Yuan, let's go, bro.
Tingin naman kayo.
Ay, si Gab.
Where's Gabby?
I'm here.
Ayun. Ay, si Yuan pa din nasa baba. Ay, na, fifth floor na.
Here, so
Ang
fast.
bilis.
Go.
Let's go. Ay, ayun o, billiards o. Ito yung ano? Ito ba yung playground?
Di ba yung next version?
Ah, ito. Gymnastic. Gymnastic daw pala. What are these?
Doon sa kabila.
Tara, doon tayo. Parang wala mga tao. Gymnastics nakalagay. Gabi! Ay! You're here pala. Sorry.
Energy na yan? Energy, FF.
Ha? May billiards, so.
Hello?
Ayun yung playground na play area. Oh. This one.
Samahan mo wala sila.
And there's ano, a court.
Gabby. Gabby. Your friend, though.
Oh, stop!
Tignan muna natin yung lugar. Ano meron dito?
For today's video, mag-gym-gyman po kami.
Oh, children's playroom din yun. Pero maliit.
Hindi, mayroon din doon.
Ah, ganyan-ganyan lang din.
Para
Okay. Tapos, ito na yung ano to? Court? Sa baba.
Bagong tingin na. Ano, bagong tatahan. Tara.
Ang dami pala.
Tara ba na, bagong tingin na.
Mag-badminton. Hindi naman badminton, tennis yan eh. Ito. Ay, badminton.
Tara.
Ay, ito. Tennis to eh. Meron din silang court at basketball court. Sa baba. Fourth floor. Gym. Let's go. Oh. Hindi gym kayo? Hindi gym ba kayo? Silahan niya. Ano gagawin niyo na? Ano gagawin niyo? Gym sila. Badminton? Okay. Don't push. It's okay. Nice.
Hi!
Say hi.
He's so
Nice, yo!
Say hi.
Hey, say hi.
Hi!
Hello.
Hoki, say hi.
Hi!
Yes, I'll record. Wait.
Sugar.
It's too big. Then try
Tubig
to.
na kasi siya eh.
I can do it though. I can do it. Can I see that? It's what you done.
Ayun, go na.
Go.
Okay, my turn. My turn.
Yeah.
My turn. Can you record?
Bro.
My turn. Okay.
Again.
Okay. Hi. Look at me. Whoa.
Ako na po lalabas ka dun.
This is my house now, you want?
I'm gonna join your house.
Kiss Papa?
No.
You want kiss Papa?
Di yan.
Bye-bye, Gab.
Ay, ito pala yung restaurant. Ikot pa tayo sa kabila. Let's go.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, Eva.
What's your friend? Huh? Asa yung drum set? Dito lang. Thank you. Ate, can you hold Yaki?
Ano yung ikot natin?
Oo.
Hindi ba dapat tayo sa kabila ikot?
May daan ba doon? Parang dead end. Paikot ba to? We.
Oo.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, Dad.
Hindi man natin alam.
Napakita mo daw kay Dad.
Papa.
Gift. Is that a gift from?
Ninang Anyang.
What'd you say?
Thank you.
What's that?
Kuromi for school.
School. Yan pala pencil to. May pen din yan. And pencil. Lunch. Lunch tayo, lunch. Ito kami sa Valero. Lunch kami. Lunch tayo.
What is it beside Mama?
Walang ano, katawa-tawa. Yeah. Mahirap ba yung exam?
Mahirap.
Pakopya ako ah.
Nag-print na na ano, ganun on the day no, ng birthday.
You won! You sit here.
No, let
Ito do yan. Let him play. You wanna do this? Yeah. Oop. Okay. Oh.
You want? What's your order? This one? Is that your order? May icy. Oh. Green King. Ang dami. Panis. You like that? Yay!
So you like mabilis.
Gabby, I'll ask for your spoon and fork.
Okay. I
Tang Pro.
Saan order mo?
Wait, can I use some pork too?
Nagpasa.
Ha?
Hindi mo kitigay.
Yan. At least masarap yung tao.
Food na lang.
Like this. Ice cream.
It says best paired with ramen.
There with ramen. What's ice cream with ramen? Talaga? Hindi naman sabay kakainin. Pwede. Pwede after mag-ramen. Kasi mainit tapos malamig nun.
Let's give some to Papa.
Baby.
Say more ice cream, please.
Go. Go, Tita. Go. More ice cream pa.
More ice cream.
Refill.
Nag-reveal ka pa talaga, ha?
Eh, dami na yan.
Eh, mama niyo.
Oh, more ice cream.
Lick it. Daddy, you want this?
Okay? Free rin. Ano yan, cards?
So, free rin. Nasaan na
Sa
yan?
ano, tomorrow
Free
po.
rin ako. Uy, ano?
Ay, wow, ang ganda ng card.
Ganda.
Mickey ng...
May kitchen.
Uy, may kitchen.
Cute.
Oh, kung nandun ka. Uy, kung nandun ka, panigurado.
7.99. Buti hindi ako si mama.
Oo.
Wala na akong pera.
Ganda ng card.
Congrats! Nakuha si Pirin. Sana si Himen na lang.
Next time.
Next time.
Nakaiwan.
Next one.
Kiss na kuya. Thank you. Love you. Kaya mo yan. Kaya natin yan. Thank you, Sai. Sunod ulit. Thank you. Ah, kiss. Kiss, ate, kiss. Bye-bye. Kiss. Kiss, kuya. Ay, kuya Ninong. Kuya Ninong.
Ikaw din, tuloy mo na.
Kaya nga eh. Correct. Ay, yung cake natin baka maiwan. Iiyak na yan.
Iwan.
Iiyak.
Iwan.
Ay, Kate.
Oo. Teka.
Okay na kung bababay. Ano yung babay na?
See you around.